If Steam error 88 is stopping you from logging in or connecting properly, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step. This is a quick troubleshooting method that can help refresh Steam's connection settings, clear out cached data, and get things working again without needing any complicated tools. So if you want to fix Steam error 88 fast, stay with me until the end. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this one. Alright, let's start this. Let's start with the first step. Open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click Steam. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This opens the main Steam settings panel, where we can change a few connection-related options. Inside Settings, go to the Download section. This is where Steam stores important download and network preferences, and it's also where one of the most common fixes for connection issues can be found. First, change the download region. If your current region is having a temporary issue, switching to another nearby region can often help Steam reconnect properly. Choose a different region from the list, ideally one that is close to your actual location. After that, look for the option that says Clear Download Cache and click it. Steam may ask you to sign back in afterward, and that's completely normal. Clearing the cache removes old temporary data that may be causing the error, and it's one of the most effective steps when Steam is not working as expected. Once you confirm the action, allow Steam to finish clearing the cache. Now that the cache has been cleared, the next step is to restart Steam. Close the application completely, and if needed, make sure it is not still running in the background. You can check the system tray or use Task Manager if necessary, then reopen Steam fresh. Restarting is important because it allows the new settings to take effect and gives Steam a clean start. If you're using a VPN, disable it for now. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Steam's login servers or make your connection look unusual, which can trigger errors like this. Turning it off temporarily is a good way to rule out connection issues caused by network routing. Once Steam has restarted and your VPN is disabled, try logging in again. In many cases, these steps are enough to fix Steam error 88 and restore normal access. If it still doesn't work right away, take a moment to double check that your download region was changed successfully and that the cache was fully cleared before restarting. If you're still having trouble, you can repeat the process one more time, especially if Steam was previously stuck using a bad region or unstable connection settings. Small network glitches can sometimes take an extra restart to fully clear out. The goal here is to reset Steam's temporary data and force it to reconnect using fresh settings, and that's it. You've now gone through a simple Steam error 88 fix by opening Steam, changing the download region, clearing the download cache, restarting Steam, disabling VPN if needed, and trying to log in again. This is one of the easiest troubleshooting methods to try first, and it can save you a lot of time before moving on to more advanced fixes. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.